So an example of the HIKVISION classroom information display or signage screen. So what happens when a class is going on, this is what the information is released, the current class with the next class. So what I have here, class inspection, is a camera inside the class that you will see. Of course, inside the class, there is some cameras deployed for that specific purpose. Then we have switch to attendance, where we can use attendance by face recognition. So like this, when I stand here, my face picture is captured, you see, checked in. Or we can use this card. So when you swipe this card, it will tell you this person has checked in. So that's an example of this for this screen. Then we have another thing. When I come back, you see this is the information release screen. So we have the timetable here. You'll see the timetable. You will see the campus news. If you click on it, you can even see the details. Then we'll have this, the campus news again. Notices, news, the album, which will showcase maybe some pictures. You can always upload this. Then let's go to video. So you will have the campus video. Of course, you can always adjust the volume to play whatever you want. It's as interactive as this, and the objective is to make the education and the learning really convenient and smart. When I come to campus information, all the information release happens here: news, notices, album, video. So this can be continuously updated by the management or the admin of the institution to make your learning really smart and really efficient. Then we have the applications, things like class inspection. I will see the camera, open door, so that it gives me access into the room. So it's supposed to scan my face. Or when I have the card, like this HIKVISION card, I can always scan it and it verifies me into the class. So this is a design is made to make learning very efficient. So you see, back to the default screen. So this information is super dynamic, so you can customize based on the institution and the appearance. So the first camera is right here with an AR. Then we have the card swiping area. So with this, we can link to the lock. Of course, you must cover the exit. Then we may link to a smart classroom like this. So you see, inside the classroom, we'll have the recording server, teaching recording server. We'll have the IFPD, the interactive flat panel. We'll have the audio control system. Of course, you can even have things like the classroom microphone, this type of microphone. So I'll just power it. You see, the audio is already properly done. I can even try to show you the speaker. So this is the speaker. There's also another speaker on the other end. And the objective is to make this a surround system, super quality. Look at this camera here. Ignore the ladder, we're doing some checkups. So we have this camera here. We have this sound pickup. We have this teacher camera. So when we come to course recording, it will show us something like this, which will intelligently switch the views between the speaker and the learner. So automatically you'll realize we have the teacher full view, we have the teacher close-up, the student close-up, so many views, and then we'll stream the courseware. Yeah, that's a simple design.